Hi, I'm Dwayne Whitcomb, founder of FiddleQuest. Thanks for joining me for another teacher training video, and I want to talk to you about shooting videos today using the FiddleQuest Video app. Videos are a really important part of how FiddleQuest works because they're important milestones, rites of passage even for the kids, where when they complete a song, you can say, this song is done. We've shot a video and we're on to the next one. It really gives a sense of progress and of movement through the curriculum. So let's take a look at how we do it. The first thing that you're going to need is you need a phone. So you need a smartphone with a camera, and you're also going to need to get the video app. And the video app is available on iTunes Store, and it's also on the App Store, and it's also available on the Google Play Store. So it's built for both iPhones and Android. And you're going to need a tripod. Having the tripod will free you up to be able to shoot the video while you accompany your student, or even if you don't want to accompany the student, it's nice to not have the camera shaking and everything, and so just putting it in a stand is very convenient. So after you get the app uploaded onto your phone, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to sign into your account using your teacher account on FiddleQuest. And then what you'll do is you can either hold the phone up, put it in the tripod, and you will click shoot a new video. And right away you'll notice how it'll tell you need to turn it to landscape mode. So turn the phone over on the side, and then you are ready to go, and you click the play button or the record button, and then if you make a mistake, just click the upper left little button there that says cancel. And the reason is that instead of saving the video, it will just simply start over again. So if you hit the stop button, the red stop button, it'll save the video, and you can go back again, but you will just start using up a lot more of your camera's memory. So just use the cancel button and start over again. And you'll hit shoot new video, and you'll start recording. And then after you get the video you want, you're going to hit the stop button, and then it's going to take you to the select student screen. And there you'll want to find your student that you were taking the video of, and you'll see things like songs and skills and social categories. So these are different categories that are really, by and large, you're going to be using songs for 90% of the time. But we do have a game called the Northern Castle where students get points for the game when they shoot skills as well as songs, and also if they get social points. So if they, for instance, play what we call a kitchen concert, they play for their mom or dad when they're making dinner, or they're playing for somebody else, a friend, or whatever the situation, they can get social points. If they're teaching, say, their younger sibling how do you sing a song or play a song, they can get teaching points, which is a part of the social points. If they're collaborating with a friend, you can also do what's called Q&As, where if you just interview your student, you can post that as well. So these are different categories for the videos. But like I said, most of the time you're just going to select a song. And then you pick the song, and once you get it, you hit that blue button and you upload the video. And depending on how long the video is or how fast or slow your internet speed, it could take anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes to upload. You can go ahead, and if you wanted to shoot a second video, you can do that while it's uploading. So just because a video is in process of loading, you can go ahead and shoot a new one, go through the very same process of selecting the student and selecting the song, and then clicking upload, and then you'll have two songs uploading at the very same time. Now, if you shot a video of your student but you didn't use the FiddleQuest app, you can actually go ahead and upload it using the FiddleQuest app, and just click the button select from gallery, and it'll go onto your phone's photo gallery, and then you can just simply select the video that you want and upload it. You'll want to make sure that the video is in landscape mode, but other than that, it's pretty much the same experience. If you want to add more than one student to a video, which is not unusual, where perhaps you have a couple students that collaborate on a song and they play together, you can actually add both names to the video. After you shoot the video, you'll get to the Select Student screen, and then you can simply hit the little button at the bottom right that has an icon of a few people in it, and you can simply select all of the students that appear in that video. And this is handy because when you go searching for a student's, all of the videos that a student has shot, that group video will show up in their account as well. If you take a video of a song that is not in the FiddleQuest curriculum, you can enter the name of the new song on the song selection screen and simply hit the plus button in the upper right, and you can add the name of that song to the video. So a few things to think about when you're shooting a video. First of all, you are going to if you choose to accompany your student, don't be too close to the phone, because you will be that much closer to the mic, plus you are louder than your student probably, and whether you're on the violin or guitar or ukulele. So just step a little bit further away from the phone and play more quietly. After you listen to a few videos, you're going to get a sense of how quietly or loudly you can play. Also, have your students introduce themselves at the beginning of each video. You will see that is part of the way that all of the videos that show up on FiddleQuest. It's a good way for the students to get used to introducing themselves before they play a song. Hello, my name is Dwayne, and I'm playing Swing Low, Sweet Chariot. But as well, that they introduce the people that they're playing with. Hi, my name is Dwayne, and this is my mom, and we're playing this particular song. So it's good practice for the students, and they just get more and more comfortable with that idea of talking to people before they play for them. Don't worry about small mistakes on the videos. I've talked about this in previous videos, but the idea of the videos is it records somebody. It's a snapshot at the song at jamming level. It is not performance level. It is not 10 out of 10. Closer to about 8 out of 10, and that is up to the student to be able to evaluate. So if there's some small little glitches, don't worry about it, just roll with it. The kids are going to be pretty tough on themselves already, so you can simply, if you say, hey, you want to shoot that again, or do you want to go with that video, then you give them that choice. Have fun with the videos. Let the students laugh, and if they need to correct a mistake, and then you don't necessarily always have to stop the video. Sometimes it's fun to see videos of kids that, particularly the more skilled players, where they make mistake after mistake and then boom, they get it. It's fun to have videos of kids where they show how, okay, they didn't get it the first time, but they did get it the second time. It is not a place for perfection at all. It's a place to have some fun and for the kids to get to see themselves as well as others learning to make music. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions, make sure you email me, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video.